Have you heard the exciting news? Book Creator just teamed up with Adobe Express's AI image generator to bring students' stories to life like never before. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set it up for students and then how the students will access it on their own. Let's go. Before students can use any of the apps in Book Creator, you have to enable them. Let's take a look and see how we do that. To start off, click on the hamburger located on the top left, then scroll over to Apps. Now, look for the plus sign next to the app you'd like to turn on, then click Enable App. Select the classes and then click Done. The green check indicates that it's ready for student use. Now let's look at the student perspective and how they can use the AI image generator in Book Creator. To start, click on the plus sign on the top right, then click Apps. Let's click AI image generator. Now, type in what you want to generate, scroll down and change the image size, select the type of content you'd like to develop, and then click Generate. Now, select one of the pictures and click Add to Book. You can resize the image so that it fits inside of your book and position it right to where it needs to be. Whether you're an educator looking to boost creativity, or maybe you're just a student trying to bring some imagination to life, this powerful combo is an absolute game changer. Try it out today and watch your class's stories come alive in a whole new way.